If you are looking for the not disturb mode settings on iPhone 17, you can just open the settings on your phone. Then we're gonna scroll down in order to find focus. And then in focus settings, you should be able to find the not disturb. Over here we have a bunch of different options that we can go through in order to set up D&D and make it work as we want it to work. For example, over here we have intelligent breakthrough and silencing. So when the D&D is active, the phone can intelligently allow priority notifications to interrupt you and silence other notifications. And if you don't want to be disturbed at all, then of course you probably don't want to enable this option. However, if you want to choose which people or, well, who and what apps can actually interrupt you, if you want to add exceptions, then you can do this over here. We can also tap on options in here in order to find some additional settings that you can toggle. You can customize screens, so you can make changes to the appearance of the lock screen and home screen so that you can immediately tell if D&D is enabled. We can create a schedule so D&D mode can be automatically enabled and disabled. And also we have focus filters, so we can customize how our apps and the device behave when the D&D mode is enabled. So we can press add filter in order to apply one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.